Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching ElectricVehicles India. Friends, welcome to EV News. In this video, let's discuss some of the latest updates and interesting news from our EV industry. So without any delay, let's dive into the video. Friends, first news is regarding electric cars. As we are in December month right now and most of the automobile manufacturers will plans to clear out their 2023 stocks by offering some huge discounts on their electric cars. So some of the electric car companies has announced huge discounts on their electric cars. I already made a dedicated video on this topic. The link for that video will be in the description and I'll give you here in the iCards. If you are interested to buy an electric car, please watch that video. For example, Mahindra is offering 4.2 lakh rupees discount on their XUV400 electric car. So like this, there are some other electric cars coming with huge discounts. So please check out that video. And next news is regarding electric scooters. So electric scooter companies also announced some discounts on their products. Ola announced 20,000 rupees discount on their Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter. The actual ex-showroom cost of that electric scooter is 1.1 lakh rupees, but you will get this electric scooter for only 89,999 rupees if you book in this December month. And next brand is Vida. Heromotocorp is also offering up to 31,000 rupees discount on Hero Vida electric scooters. So this 31,000 rupees discount includes a free extended warranty which is worth 8,259 rupees, cash discount of 6,500 rupees, exchange bonus of 5,000 rupees, loyalty discount of 7,500 rupees and corporate discount of 2,500 rupees. So by calculating all this, you can get up to 31,000 discount on Hero Vida electric scooters. And next news is also from Heromotocorp. Recently, Heromotocorp invested 150 crore rupees in Ather Energy. Previously, Ather used to have 36.7% stake in Ather Energy. And now, after investing this 150 crores in Ather Energy, the stake value increased from 36.7% to 39.7%. Recently, Hero announced a partnership with Ather Energy regarding their charging stations. Now, both Hero Vida and Ather electric scooter owners can charge their electric scooters in Hero Vida charging stations as well as Ather charging stations. So this is India's first interoperable charging station network. I think the main reason for this partnership is to beat Ola. To compete with Ola, Ather and Heromotocorp should jointly work on a new electric scooter which will have capability to beat Ola scooters. Next news is also from Ather. Ather also announced up to 24,000 rupees discount on their two electric scooter models. You can get 4,500 rupees cash benefits, 6,500 rupees corporate benefits and 7,000 rupees worth of Ather battery protect for free. So by including all these, you can get up to 24,000 rupees benefits on Ather electric scooters. Friends, next news is from Blue Smart Mobility. So basically this Blue Smart Mobility operates same as Ola and Uber, but this company uses electric cars for their operations. So basically if you book this Blue Smart cabs, electric cars will come and pick you up. So one of the subsidiary brand of this Blue Smart Mobility called Gensol is working on an electric car. So basically this Gensol company manufactures solar panels. For the first time they are working on an electric car, and recently they released a teaser regarding this. So if you see this teaser, this electric car looks like a tiny and compact electric car like MG Comet EV. So in the teaser, we can clearly see only 2 doors for this electric car and we can expect 4 seating capacity in this. The exterior, interior, alloy wheels look stunning in this electric car. The major attraction for this electric car is going to be panoramic sunroof, 10 inches touchscreen display along with other features. Gensol is offering 200 kilometers of range and 80 km/h top speed in this electric car. We can expect the launch of this electric car in March 2024. This is going to be a purely made in India electric car. So I'll let you know more details of this electric car in March 2024. Friends, next news is from Tesla. Few weeks back in the same EV news video, I said that Indian government is going to decrease the import tax from 70 to 100% from 15% for Tesla electric cars. So Tesla has asked Indian government to reduce the import duty on their electric cars so that they can sell their electric cars in India. They can study the Indian market and after 2 years they can set up their factory in India. So initially Indian government looked like accepting this request from Tesla, but as per recent reports, Indian government has rejected this request from Tesla. They clearly mentioned that Indian government is not going to reduce the import duty on electric cars. So let's see when India accepts the Tesla's terms and conditions and when we can expect Tesla car in our India. So what's your opinion on this? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Audi. Audi has recently partnered with Charge Zone to start India's first ultra fast charging station in Mumbai. So they recently inaugurated this fast charging station in Mumbai, and the capacity of this fast charging station is 450 kilowatt, but it can give you a 360 kilowatt output from it. By using a 500 amps liquid cooled socket, they are offering this EV fast charging station. So by using this fast charging station, the Audi Q8 e-tron can charge from 20 to 80% in just 28 minutes. The Audi Q8 e-tron will have 114 kilowatt hour battery pack in it. And to encourage sustainability and green energy, the main power source of this charging station is going to be from solar panels. So in upcoming days, the charging time of electric scooters is going to decrease gradually, and it will equal to the petrol refilling time. Friends, last news is from Kia. Currently, Kia offers only one electric car model in our India, and that is Kia EV6. And in this 2024, Kia is going to launch their second electric car, and that is Kia EV9. And this electric car is going to be India's first 3-row SUV, and the length of this electric car is going to be above 5 meters. It will have 6 or 7-seater configuration options, and the range of this electric car is going to be 541 kilometers. This electric car can spin from 0 to 100 in just 9.4 seconds. And this car will have level 3 ADAS functions. So basically, this Kia EV9 is going to be a premium SUV electric car. We can expect the price of this Kia EV9 above 50 lakhs. So what's your opinion on this electric car? Please let me know in the comments. So friends, these are some of the latest updates and news from our EV industry for this week. What's your opinion on this video? Please let me know in the comments. And if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.